Well, good morning, everyone. I am out and I'm going to be picking some dandelions today because dandelions are naturally a really good herb, flower. There's so much growing around the neighborhood, and so I have a whole bunch that I'm going to be picking. So I'll show you. Look at them. I'm just excited to be able to harvest them so I can use in teas and dry and preserve over time. So excited. Do you harvest dandelions? So I am hoping to fill my basket this morning, so wish me luck. The sun on my face this morning is so good. I had such a good time getting the dandelions. Oh, hopefully I'll get some more. It was lovely seeing it, in midst of the cherry blossoms. So, whole different perspective about, I guess, spring flowers and the benefits of them. So, yeah. Hope you're having a good morning. Oh my God, look at the daisies. Those are so cute. I don't think I've ever seen daisies with the pink tops. So those are pretty cool.